What's up, guys and girls and other faithful subscribers that may or may not be human? Welcome back to the channel. I have fantastic news. Semester's over. That means it's time to hit the projects hard. Projects meaning things that I have really wanted to get done but haven't been able to get done. As you can see, I'm not in my usual setup. I'm currently in a hotel in Manitowoc, Wisconsin. My hair's wet because I just got out of the shower. It's currently 8:10 a.m. In about 20 minutes, I will be leaving this hotel in Manitowoc to drive about 15 minutes north to Two Rivers, Wisconsin. I've been planning this project with a friend and mentor and colleague of mine, Pete Bella. Basically, I came up with this interesting idea to use 3D printing as a medium in which to further graphic design. This summer, however, I'm focusing on how I can use 3D printing to influence typography. So basically, we've been seeing this huge trend in humanistic design qualities. Look at people like Timothy Goodman, James Victore, who's one of my favorite, and there are a bunch more. Those are just the two that come to mind right now. So basically, we see this huge overarching trend of people interested in humanistic type and humanistic design. What I was interested in seeing is how I could take the 3D printer, which is a machine, runs off of a string of code, just chunks ones and zeros. I want to see what happens when I take that and I try to apply it within that design aesthetic. What kind of humanistic qualities can we get out of a 3D printer? How human can we make the machine? I've started calling it the Terminator effect. What we're doing is we will be doing testing and creating a 3D printed movable typeface for letterpress printing. Well, up in Two Rivers, Wisconsin is a place called Hamilton Wood Type and Printing Museum. It's a absolutely wonderful looking place where they have collected over the years a library of original wood printing blocks, as well as a variety of letterpress printers and such. Basically, we'll be driving up there, we'll be going through this really cool letterpress workshop, getting good understanding of how the machines work, getting good understanding of the actual printing process. It's a really good way to kind of kickstart this research that we'll be doing over the summer and have the actual machinery and how it works and how it functions fresh in our brains before we start making components for it to actually print things. Pete and I will both be creating a joint YouTube channel for this project specifically. When we have that up, I'll have that in a link in the description below as well. Today I will be filming two different videos. Video for this channel, it's going to be a little bit more cut and paste, dry cut stuff like I normally do for this channel, but we will also be producing a video as an introduction to this project on our joint channel as well. How much footage I'll be able to get for each video, I'm not sure. We currently only have one camera with us, as well as a few other recording devices. I'm ready to hit the road. Oh, there it is, there it is, there it is, there it is! Beep! We're here. That's what I'm going for a very specific reason. So it's Victoria's 2 things you should never take part in: shortcuts and smoking. And I'm going to use the borders as a strike through, crossing them out. But I've got short letter forms here, cutouts in the cuts, and really long, thin for the smoking, like cigarettes. So advice, I've just kind of crappily eyeballed the spacing. How would I go about figuring out exactly? Do I just start grabbing some shapes and experimenting? How should I figure out how to fill those spaces?
You can do it mathematically. So what I'm seeing here is roughly 4 to 5 picas. Now the shape of the letter adds to that as well. And so you've got that to take into mind, but roughly speaking, these are 4 to 5 picas. There's a couple of ways we can do it. We can grab metal furniture, 4s and 5s, and plunk them right in. Or we can go like this and say, well, you got 30 and a half
to 50.
And to 50, so there's about 20 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That does mean roughly 5. So metal furniture takes over where the wooden does not. So right here, what you find are 4s, 5s, 6s, 8s, 10s, etc. Grab 6x4s, right?
That's fine.
This will do the trick. And so now, what do we got remaining? About 3 picas, or is it over?
It's like 3.5-ish.
That means then that, like 1 slug and 2 leads or something like that will be what brings it out. May not need as much. So you can begin making those decisions.
Honestly, just adding a little bit of extra space here or here would be better than adding any space here.
Right. So you can keep grabbing furniture, and then that will begin spacing that out. If you measure these out more at 4 picas, grab that, and then you can do the same thing. You'll grab leads and slugs, and then fill it out accordingly.
So it's 1:30 a.m. We're finally back in Fort Wayne.
We made it.
We made it. We are incredibly tired and
Very much so.
shot at this point. But we had fun.
It was a great experience. I wouldn't have wanted to miss it.
It was a lot of fun. We just stopped by the campus real quick to drop off the prints so that they could dry overnight. I think it was a really good learning experience. I think we're both ready to get home though. Keep watch on the channel for further progress on this project we're working on over the summer. I'll keep regular updates, and like I said, I'll have a link to the actual project channel with a totally different video. We did successfully record 2 different videos today, which was a challenge.
And an accomplishment.
And an accomplishment. So, thanks everybody for watching. The typical, like, comment, whatever, at the end of the thing. And I'll see you after I get some sleep. We need sleep.